Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright. Yan, umuulan eh. Kaya hindi ako makapag-umpisa sa baba mag-salita, no? Galang. Videoan ko na lang muna to, ha? O, ito po, Lower Antipolo. Hindi kayo babahain, promise. Yan, tag-ulan ngayon, di ba? Okay. So, ito, common toilet and bath. Yan. Then meron kayo dito nga guest room or senior room. Yan, pwede ito for senior room. Nakita ko lang nga yung space. Maganda po yung space nito. Right? Pakita ko lang. Ayan. Okay, so for senior, for guest room, pwede. Okay? Then ito yung ground floor. So, syempre, ito yung ating living. Then, dito yung ating dining area. So, tingin ko yung dining area, good for 6-seater po. Alright? Then, ito yung kitchen area. Okay? Kitchen area. Dito, meron tayong lanay. Ito, lanay area. Again, kitchen area. O, dito sa likuran, dito yung ating service or laundry area. Ito po yan. Papansin nyo, nakabubong na rin. Okay? Then dito, meron tayong mixed quarter with the toilet and bath na. Okay? Mixed quarter with toilet and bath. O, again, one more look dito sa ating ground floor. O, yung baba kanina, hindi ko masyadong na-videohan. Yung dun, yung parking space. Good for 2 cars po iyon, ha. Kahit dalawang SUV, kasya po. Okay? Ito, balikan ko nga uli. O, ayan. Kasya po, dalawang SUV. Okay? Tara, akit tayo ng second floor. So, review lang yung ground floor natin. Merong maid's quarter, may sariling CR. Then, yung guest room or your senior room, may katabi po na common toilet and bath. Okay? So, dito sa second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. So, first bedroom. Oops, wait lang. So, ito. Ito yung first bedroom natin. Ganda ng space, di ba? Lahat may built-in cabinets na po. Okay? Second bedroom. Ito yung common toilet and bath natin. Then yung master's bedroom, syempre may sariling toilet and bath. Malaki to. Ito yung built-in cabinet niya. Ito yung space. So doon yung headboard. Okay? Tapos ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. O, yung mga interested dyan, yung mga magtatanong, ang price po natin dito is 14 million. Okay, ito yung toilet and bath ng master's bedroom. 14 million, lot area nito nasa 120 square meter. Then yung floor area po is around, siguro mga nasa 200 square meter po. Estimate ko, ha? Alright, so yun lang. Thank you for watching. Again, Lower Antipolo po ito, ha? Okay? Yan, lakas ng ulan. Alright. So again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.